Alright, so in this video, I'm going to solve the equation 9 to the power of x minus 6 to the power of x is equal to 4 to the power of x. So to solve this, I'm going to start off by dividing every term by 4 to the power of x. So these two cancel out, and I'm left with 9 to the power of x over 4 to the power of x minus 6 to the power of x over 4 to the power of x is equal to 1. From here, if I have something in the form a to the power of m over b to the power of m, this is equal to a over b to the power of m. So 9 to the power of x over 4 to the power of x is equal to 9 over 4 to the power of x. And 6 to the power of x over 4 to the power of x is the same thing as 6 over 4 to the power of x. And this is equal to 1. From here, I'm going to rewrite 9 over 4 as 3 squared over 2 squared. And I'm going to rewrite 6 over 4 as 3 over 2. Now, 3 squared over 2 squared is the same thing as 3 over 2 squared. So I have 3 over 2 squared to the power of x minus 3 over 2 to the power of x is equal to 1. Now, if I have something in the form a to the power of m to the power of n, this is the same thing as a to the power of n to the power of m. So 3 over 2 to the power of 2 to the power of x turns into 3 over 2 to the power of x to the power of 2. And I have this minus 3 over 2 to the power of x is equal to 1. From here, I'm going to let 3 over 2 to the power of x equal to the variable t. So if I substitute in t for this, I get t squared minus t is equal to 1, meaning t squared minus t minus 1 equals 0. And this here is a quadratic equation. So to solve this, I'm going to plug this in the quadratic formula here. So I get t is equal to 1 plus or minus the square root of 1 minus 4 times 1 times negative 1 all over 2, which is equal to 1 plus or minus the square root of 5 over 2. So this means that 3 over 2 to the power of x is equal to 1 plus the square root of 5 over 2. 1 minus the square root of 5 over 2 wouldn't work because it's negative, and you can't take the power of a positive number and make it equal negative. So now if I take the log base 3 over 2 on both sides, I get x is equal to log base 3 over 2 of 1 plus the square root of 5 over 2. So this is my solution.